Alright, you guys already know what this is. Brand new fragrance.
Nice.
Guys, look at this. Oh, this is smaller than I expected though.
Ask my accountant about that.
Let me go ahead and take this out right now. Fragrance.com. Alright, so I'll leave this here and I'll go ahead and open the package, and you guys will definitely have a new review of a new fragrance. As you guys can see, Azzaro Wanted by Night Eau de Parfum, 50 ml, 1.7 fluid ounces right there. Side, this is the back. The ingredients, really nice. Let me go ahead and open it up. One side. Alright, so I also just got a haircut, guys, and it's raining outside, so yeah. The batch code. Alright guys, so definitely stay tuned to see the full review for this right here. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos of fragrance, fashion, and lifestyle videos from men. So yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching again.